At Jet, we understand the importance of proper dust collection. Not only can the contaminants from everyday shop life pollute the air and dirty your shop, but they have the potential to cause harm to the machinist's long-term health. That is why we engineer each machine with safety top of mind. Committed to quality and improving our operators' environment, each machine has a specific purpose for your shop, and that is why we're proud to introduce our latest dust collectors. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.